Good morning from day 3, second full day. I love that I can stand up in here. I'm gonna kind of clean up this stuff. I'm gonna make the bed actually. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and stuff, get ready. I gotta go buy a towel. I really gotta get a towel. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is head over to a store just to get a towel. I just need to find somewhere. But let's get the day going. I was the only one here for a while, but then another car did show up. But this little farm stay is actually really beautiful. No matter where I go, I gotta bring my son with me. Had to bring the blanket. Just dropped the shit out of my GoPro. But I got my chest mount and I got parked here. It might be a little tricky to get out of here, but we'll see. Hopefully that car behind me maybe is gone and then I can kind of park there. We'll see. But I guess I'm by myself, just going on the fucking paddleboard 2-hour rental. So let's go. Word.
But if you come here, put your knees in between that handle, face this way.
Oh,
there
yeah?
you go. All right, have a good time, man.
Thanks, brother. Oh, that's good. Yeah, this is sick. I'm kind of scared to stand up because I don't want to eat shit. I got my phone in my pocket and my watch on, which both are waterproof, but I'd prefer not to fall. But yeah, I got the paddle board, got it strapped on me. The guy said I can possibly see turtles today, so that would be sick. It's pretty dope conditions. Seeing like little fishes and stuff down below. I definitely forgot my sunscreen, so I'm gonna go back and see if I can hop off really quick. There was a sea turtle down there a few minutes ago, so you guys might see him pop back up. There we go. That was sick. They could do a back, or he just jumped in. Now he says he's gonna do a backflip. I think we're gonna jump off. Let's get it on the GoPro. Let's go.
I'm scared.
Me too, bro. Me too. Thanks, bro.
What do you got?
What's that?
Triple backy?
Fuck no, I've never jumped off a bridge, bro. I got you for the YouTube though. Yes, sir.
Can you record my mom when you're in the water with the GoPro?
Yeah? Yeah, I got you.
Can you send the videos to me?
I got you. I'll give you my Snapchat or something. Damn. No fucking shot. All right, I think the first jump I'll just do it like this.
All right. Go.
That wasn't that bad. Oh, I lost my fucking hair tie though. Sheesh. Solid. Hey, hell yeah. Probably look like a fool.
No, it's all good. We looked like you were rolling solo, so.
Yeah, I'm out here by myself for a week.
Oh, good for you.
I think we can just go like this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, sit down.
Except, hey, that's fucking sweet. Here, let me say that really quick.
Enjoy your travel.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, have fun. You get to start of your week or the end of it?
Middle.
Oh, good.
So this is my second full day. I got here Monday. Tomorrow I'm going snorkeling with sharks. And then I have 2 days to do whatever I want, and then I'm parasailing on the 30th at like 800 feet.
Awesome.
Whew.
You have Invisalign?
I do. Yeah, I know. I can taste the fucking salt water right now.
It's cleansing.
So where do you
Right.
swim with the sharks?
I think it's up off of North Shore as well, so over in this area.
Man, you enjoy your trip? Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate the video. I mean, first jump ever. I fucking lost my hair tie though, and I'm pretty sure that was one of the only ones I had. Oh, let's see.
Find one on the ground.
I'm taking it. This is the part about facing your fears. That's way better than just sliding off the edge. Well, that was a fucking kick-ass experience. I jumped off the bridge like, I think like 5 or 6 times. And it's funny because I just showered and got my hair washed and shit in here. I heard like cop lights, or saw the cop lights and heard the siren up there for a second that they were telling the kids not to jump. Well, I was like, I'm cool with that. I already got my jumping going. So now I'm gonna find somewhere to eat. I don't know if these kids are gonna keep jumping, but I'm gonna look at some of that footage that I got in here. But yeah, I'm really glad that I ended up jumping. It was kind of like an out of my comfort zone. Woo! I think it was sick. I don't know if these kids are still jumping. I need to find some food, so let's go. Let's go pick up something. Maybe look for another hike. But I'll see you guys in a bit. I was also parked right here, and it was gonna be a bitch to get out, but someone actually moved from this spot. So now I'll be able to pull forward, pull back, and get out of here fairly easy, actually. Let's see what Killer Tacos is about. So I just got the Kona pork, lettuce, salsa. I'm gonna put some sour cream in there. That's good. There's a little bit of a kick to it too. Alright, van's parked. I'm hitting up this upper and lower loop trail. That right there. He said it's easier to go lower to upper rather than get tired, go all the way down and then come around. So we'll see how that goes. I'll kind of make a choice once I get there. It's only about 2.2 miles. They said it takes about an hour going around. It'll be a nice little hike to get during the day. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow after this snorkeling. Let's do lower. I'll see you guys along the way. I like getting footage along the hike because it's cool to show you guys little areas of the hike that stand out to me. I can see why people think this, or say this trail's muddy when it like rains recently, because the area I just went through right back there definitely would be muddy if it had rained recently. I mean, it's rained, but nothing like the flash floods. Like, see? Whew. I'm able to get around it. It's a nice chill hike so far. Hopefully I don't eat my words saying that. I've only seen one person. There was only a few cars parked out there when I pulled up. I think I'm gonna try to do a hike every single day. I just don't want to do anything like too hard when I'm by myself. It's just not smart to do that type of shit. Man, I love being out here. This is just so much fun. I definitely would love to come with maybe like one person. My best friend Gage was saying, imagine if it was like me and him and we both each have our own van and we just go around camping together. That'd be sick. Bro 100% lied. He's like, start lower, then go up. I was like, it's not what the app said, but if you say it's easier, I'll listen. To the guy that told me this was easier, fuck you, mama. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the Hawaii videos. I don't know how many I'm gonna do. Might do one. No, I'm definitely not gonna do one. But Jesus, look at that view. That's beautiful. I gotta get my phone out real quick. Bye-bye. Should I do it? I feel like it can't be that bad. Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit. Wow, it's crazy how quiet it is. You gotta put your head down. That's so sick. Yeah, that was neat. Jeez. Little cave and shit. If I still smoked weed, that's somewhere I'd be like, I want to smoke weed in here. There's another one. Bro, there's another one. Oh no, my sunglasses. I'm in a fucking cave, y'all. Ugh, I dropped my fucking sunglasses again. That's sick. That one looked a little bit more creepy. But you're not gonna go in a cave, you know? I need to watch where I'm going. I need to not walk in Snapchat out here because I'm gonna fucking fall. And like I said, I'm gonna die. I need to stop recording fucking 4-minute videos too. Splicing these is gonna be annoying. I lied. Actually doing jump cuts is like half the fun for me. Making it so my conversations are more consistent and shit. Wow, that is fucking stunning. You ever just wonder what it would feel like just to run and yeet yourself off of this? How fast would you die? Would you die? How bad would it hurt? Would you break your neck? All the questions I'm not gonna find out answers to today. So let's not fuck around and find out. Peace. I just ate shit going down basically that whole thing. Hey, but like, I kind of saved it. There it is. See? Fuck, it's slippery. I survived. I conquered. Not really. I believe that is the trail done. Trail. I'm not saying it right, but I think I showed it in the beginning of the video what the trail was called. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. I'm glad I did the more difficult way. It's fun to push yourself a little bit to do things. So no regrets, not even one letter. The only regret I'll have is if my car's not there. There she is in all of her glory. I drove past the Best Buy and I've been listening to music from my phone. I had to buy a cable. I was like, I'm tired of listening to it. I want actual music. So shout out Best Buy for having aux and then aux to USB-C. Dude, little under half a tank was almost 15 gallons. for 55 bucks. So this thing's probably about 100 bucks to fill. So, and I'll probably go through one more half tank while I'm here. Probably a little bit more. We'll see. Adventures take up a lot of gas. Now this place is live. Let's grab this seat over here. The menu's pretty good, but I'm in the mood for fish and chips or shrimp and chips. We'll see what's good. I asked the server, I was like, so shrimp and chips or fish and chips? And he was like, I'll go fish and chips, which is kind of what I was leaning towards. I'll probably go to one of these shrimp food trucks eventually. But for right now, I'm just gonna get a simple fish and chips and with some tartar sauce. I got ketchup right there. So I'm just gonna kind of kick it here, go back to the campsite, clean up the van a little bit. But I'm gonna wake up at 7 to kind of just get ready for the day. I think I need to go get some aloe. My shoulders are gonna be killing me. Yeah, that's gonna suck being in a hot van with hot ass shoulders. Yeah, let's go get some aloe after dinner. Now that's some motherfucking food. That's a big ass plate. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat all this, and I don't really have a way to cook it outside of here, so what I eat is what I eat. It is 9:39, so I technically don't need to go to bed, but I want to be up at like 7 to kind of get the day ready, even maybe 6 o'clock. 6 might be a little pushing it, because then I won't get as much like sleep, but I don't know, my tattoo looks fucking sick out here, bro. Bed's a messy, but that's okay. Putting all my shit into there. Gonna clean up this corner, get my boxes, the suitcases open so I can kind of arrange those as well. I'm gonna call it for the night, so I'll see you guys in the morning, which will probably be the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed my paddleboarding, the little adventures I went on, and jumping off the bridge. That was a lot of fun to kind of go out of my comfort zone and do that. I really enjoyed it, and I'm glad I did it. And honestly, jumping off a higher bridge would be fun, but scary as fuck, but I'd be down to try it. So on to better things, on to new things. Just get out of your comfort zone, guys. Good night.